Welcome back to the bench, and today we had an ES3 come in, but in actual fact I think the problem is this power supply. It's a Doepfer one, and as you can see, two of those capacitors have the bulge of death, so we're going to take those out. Let's plug it in. I found a 12 volt AC for the input, which is about as minimum as you want to connect to this, so we should have a minus 12 volts here. Oh, minus 10. Not very good. The plus 12 volts is here. Plus 9. That's very low. And there's also a 5 volt rail. 4.5. That's not good at all. So yeah, and that's with nothing connected to it. As soon as you connect something to it, then the voltages will drop. So I've got some lovely Nichicon caps to replace in here. If I just break away this glue, wow, that's actually loose. You can see there's one leg wobbling there. And what happened to the other leg? I think the other leg suffered coyote arm. So get me out of this cap. It's just dissolved itself. Crazy. Okay, let's get these nice 105 degree Nichicon caps in here. It'll be a bit of an upgrade for it. So whilst I was there, I resoldered up some joints as well. Anything that looked a bit dodgy. So let's see what we have now. That's better, minus 12. And the plus 12 volt rail, 11.95. That's very good. And 5.1 on the plus 5. So yeah, that's really improved the situation. I'm pretty sure the ES3 is not going to be faulty. So let's put this thing back together. So I'm just going to send some LFOs to my ADAT output, which is going to be connected to the ES3. Okay, running some tests there. I noticed that socket 4 is really dodgy, as well as socket 6. So I think I'm going to have a quick look over, probably resolder all the joints. And while we're here, let's just check out these caps. So they should be 2200 microfarad. This one doesn't look so bad. ESR5, meh, not bad. Not fantastic. This one doesn't look too bad either. Creeping up on the ESR there. I think this one's on its way out. And this one here is a bulgy one. And the glue on here looks like a Friday night job. Get out the factory quick. Oh, this is actually, yeah, in-circuit leaky. So that one is a goner. And this one, which fell apart, I doubt whether I'll get a connection. No, the whole metal just corroded. There's no metal left in there at all. So there you go, cheap caps. Okay, let's do this check again. I'm just going to get an oscillator. Just plug it into the mixer. And then we'll use the ES3 to control the pitch of this oscillator. So we'll check output 1. Okay. Fairly solid. Output 2. That seems okay. Let's check output 4. This is one that was dodgy. That's much better now. Excellent. 5. 6 was the dodgy one. Ah, yeah. Excellent. Brilliant. So let's stick this oscillator into a filter, and then we can have one LFO on the pitch and one LFO on the filter. Just going through my Hern-Morley stereo filter, and we'll connect a faster one into its CV input. And the crazy thing is, this sits in between a really expensive RedNet optical device and an Analog Systems RS8000. So I'm really pleased this was a quick fix so we can get them all reunited together. And if you're interested, I'll leave a link at the end of this video of how you would use one of these in the studio. So yeah, catch you next time.